Hello, this is your teacher, Nikki. You are coming to the end of your C program. You are going to be finishing your 600 hours. We need to complete a course evaluation survey about remote online learning. I'm going to telephone you and ask you some questions. How did you find out about this course? Did you find out from Centrelink, your Job Active, your local newspaper, a friend, or other? Then I'm going to ask you some of these questions. Tick what you think about the sentences. Your teacher, your trainer. The teacher was helpful. So we have to tick yes, don't know, or no. The teacher gave me schoolwork to do each week on MyAIMS, the computer program, and or the workbook. I did my schoolwork each week using MyAIMS and or the workbook. The teacher talked to me about my work, or the teacher gave me a text. The course. The course helped me with reading and writing. Again, we have to tick yes, don't know, or no. The course helped me with speaking and listening. The course helped me understand Australian work. Then we have to write some things down. So you have to tell me and I will type them into here. What topic did you like best? So we did things like Samir, Samir's house, Samir's clothes. We did work about time, daily routine. You tell me what you liked doing. What do you want to learn more about? You tell me and I will write it for you. And did your computer skills improve? And then I will sign this for you and I'll write the date for you. Thank you. I will be telephoning you soon, tomorrow, and speaking to you about this.